Oh, we're gonna break in the rain. We're gonna break in the rain. All right, hey guys, welcome back. It's 2018. Look at that, 18. It's like this century is finally allowed to drink. It's about to go hit the bars. We've got a new set. We're really excited about our new set, which is starting to come together now. We've got some cool funky lights and a nice tin roof to deal with all that frickin' rain. We've got some new kit coming into the new year. We've actually got some really cool kit, and it's about time that we started doing some review videos on all the fancy toys that we've got. So make sure you stay tuned this year. It's going to be a ripper year. We're going to be pumping out hopefully a video a week. I don't know for sure if I can do that. The missus and bubbas may be a little bit angry at me if I do, but I will do my best to bring you the cool stuff like this, the PRO4K ULTRA. This is one wicked little camera, so let's rip into it and see what we can pull out. Alright guys, this one here is the PRO4K ULTRA. I really like this camera. I really must rate it. It is a really good camera, but I'm going to give you my honest impressions regardless. This is a 4K camera. It uses a Novatech processor in combination with a SONY IMX078 Sensor. Now basically what that means is it pumps out a good quality image. It's nice and stable and reliable. It has all the usual ports on the side there, a micro USB and mini HDMI, as well as the micro SD slot. You'll need a card for this. This camera has a good glass lens on it. It produces a really nice picture and has a touchscreen on the back. This is an image from the camera itself. Nice vivid colors, bright. I believe it's recording at 1080p at 60 FPS, which gives a nice smooth image there. In comparison to our other cameras, it stacks up really well. I'm really impressed at how this camera has stacked up image-wise. Features-wise, there's no comparison. This is the most feature-packed camera we've ever had. This has a removable battery and a hell of a lot of settings. I've got to say the settings on this camera are really impressive. That's definitely one of the benefits. You can really dig down deep and get into all of these different features here, and the touchscreen works beautifully with them. You can even change the lens angle there, as you see. Diving mode and fisheye adjust are fantastic additions. Slow motion is only a click away. You can click it and bang, you're into slow motion mode, and it works really well. I'm really impressed with how simple that is. And same goes for the time-lapse mode. It's just a press away, and I'll now take this outside and show you how quickly and easily we can be recording stuff like this, which is a shot done in time-lapse on the camera itself. The camera comes with the standard type of, excessive accessories, including a waterproof case and all the bells and whistles that you can possibly imagine. Every possible way of attaching this camera to everything, including GPS. This has the opportunity to connect a GPS module and track where it goes, and all the standard sort of stuff like the bicycle handlebar mount and the J hook and all of those bits and pieces. The user manual is actually really thorough. It's a really thick user guide and is in very good English, so that's a bonus. Cable ties and of course the obligatory sort of lens cleaner. So overall, I think this is a fantastic camera. I think it has a beautiful touchscreen. I think it has a great GPS module. I think it has all the bells and whistles to make this really stack up against the Hero 5. Probably the only real negatives would be that the sensor's a little bit older. The 078 sensor from Sony is maybe a generation or two older. It could be newer. The case itself is a little bit older style as well. But these things considered, the Sony sensor is actually really reliable, tried and tested, so it's a bonus really in many ways, and the waterproof case is standard old sort of GoPro Hero style case. So really, I give this camera a solid 8 out of 10. If you're interested in this particular camera, you can get that from Actioncam.nz, your action camera specialist.